Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's start today. I think that very less students have joined the session. Let it be, we'll try to continue with that. But let me know if you people are going to just have any communicative activities, or should we just continue with the same kind of verbal ability questions? So is there anyone who would like to give presentation or speech or any talk on any topic of your area of interest if you're prepared? Okay. Already we people are maybe just getting very few sessions twice a week, and in that also sometimes we are not having sessions also. So it may be wonder that how you people are preparing for your communication for your English. I don't know, but I think that all you people should take note of it, that we are entering in this new year, and for this new year whatever the resolutions that you are going to make, out of those resolutions one should be improving your English communication and that oral communication. So as far as English communication is concerned, many people are not feeling comfortable, or they find it very tough, or what it may be the case, whether it is easy or difficult, whether you like or don't like, but ensure that you are going to work on it, you're going to improve it. Otherwise, see, things are going to be complicated for you in the future. So why not to be just be alert about what kind of career you wanted to choose, and accordingly you are going to just improve your English communication. Okay. So I hope that no one is ready for oral communication activity, and because of this only we will just go to the previous activity that we people were used to discuss, and that was about maybe verbal ability questions that we people will try to continue. Okay. So I will share the screen. All of you ensure that you are able to get my voice properly, as well as you are able to see the screen also. And if it is visible, someone just reply me yes or no. Is it visible? So I hope that it is visible. Okay. So let's try to continue. This was the question. If you remember that last time we people have discussed here, that Hong Kong is a city which is in China, and so Vatican is also name of city which is in Rome, that we people have discussed. Ensure that you are able to see the next slide. Sometimes I think that there is problem with Zoom sharing of screen. And now let me know, is the next question visible, 51 question or not? So I have to share the screen once again. So ensure that you are able to see it. So question number 51 might be visible to you now. Okay, fine. So only Shubham is responding, and see that other students just try to ensure you are active, you're not connecting it passively. Okay. So question number 51 is in front of you, and this question is related with uh, again verbal analogy. So first pair here, steel and rails. So Alnico, and which one of the following options you people can choose related with Alnico? Is it aircraft, machinery, silverware, or magnets? What is it? You can answer me in chat box. You can unmute and speak. So I got answer from Rishma. Others, just be quick that you people are able to find out what steel and rails. So you just try to understand that steel is used for making rails. What are rails? That if you are just thinking about the staircase and or other maybe on terrace, you'll find that rails are used. So that is made up of steel. So Alnico, from Alnico, what it is made. Sakshi also answered. So Alnico, you are having three elements here. Al stands for aluminum here. Ni stands for nickel here. Co stands for cobalt here. So therefore, out of these three, what is made? It's magnets. All you people have answered it, that its magnets are made from Alnico. Okay, and that's answer. So all of you just try to ensure that option D is answer. Then next we people will go to the next question. Number 52 is in front of you. This question is also like this poodle and dog. There is some relationship. So moose and which one of the following you people are going to choose? Is it related with duck or donkey or fowl or deer? That is breed of dog. Poodle is breed of dog. So moose is breed of which of the following animals here? So Shubham answered here. He can try to understand that is a kind of or category of dog, poodle. So moose is category of, it is not of duck or donkey. So it is not of fowl also. So therefore it goes to the option D, that is deer. Option D is going to be answer here. So those who thought of option D, everyone is right. Okay. Next, very simple question number 53 is there. This question number 53 says push and pull. So for throw, what you'll choose? Jump, collect, pick, or game? Everyone, you have to answer. This is very simple. Push and pull. What is it? What kind of relationship is there? What kind of words? So Sakshi answered here. Others also try to answer and also explain why you are going to choose that particular option. Push and pull, are they synonyms or antonyms? Reshma also answered.
Antonyms.
Yes, exactly. They are opposite antonyms. Push and pull are opposite. So throw, opposite of throw, here you may get confused with collect also, but instead of collect, we people will choose your pick. Okay, and that becomes antonym. Throw and pick becomes antonym. So therefore option C is here. So all you people are right. Option C is answer. Then next question number 54 is there in front of you. This question says naphthalene is related with coal tar. So similarly, dyes will be related with what? Is it petroleum, oils, chemicals, or carbon? So what is it? How we can choose it? How we can decide it? You people can just try to pay attention. What is this naphthalene? Naphthalene is the we can call it a byproduct also, byproduct of coal tar. So dyes is byproduct of which one of the following? So Pranali, Sakshi, they have answered. Shubham has answered. Everyone just try to be clear that you're going to choose correct answer. So here your option goes with option C, chemicals. So dyes is the byproduct, you can say, that is of chemicals. Is it chemicals? So petroleum. So petroleum and chemicals, there are two answers I'm getting. So out of C, out of A, which one is right? There is no B, no D. Just try to tell me out of these two options. You have here like 50-50. Okay. So what is dies? What is this kind of remaining part last in a processing? If the last product, that is, we can consider here like this. So let's check. It will be option A, petroleum. Okay. So petroleum will be the right answer, not chemicals. Okay. Then let's go to the next question, number 55. Very simple is there. And it says Darwin is associated with which theory? Theory of evolution. So Archimedes is here. Archimedes will be associated with what? Friction, lubrication, buoyancy, liquids. So I got answer from Chaitrali. Others, do it fast. You people might have studied physics, okay? When you studied physics, Darwin can be studied in biology. So Darwin has put the theory of evolution, okay? So, but in physics, you might have come across with Archimedes. Archimedes principle of what? Has he said anything about uh, friction, lubrication, buoyancy liquids? I got answer from Sakshi also. Chaitrali and Sakshi and Pranali, they have answered it. And that's right answer. That's right answer. Pranali, Sakshi, and Chaitrali. Others, what do you think? Option C, buoyancy is the right answer. So who will tell me what is this buoyancy? Have you studied it in physics?
Yes, sir.
So what is it? What kind of force is there? I think that that's force, buoyancy force. Okay. So I think that that may be force from uh, downward side. So to keep something floating into liquids. So that is buoyancy. All right, we'll not go deep in that much. So buoyancy is the right answer. Everyone is right, those who replied here. Be careful about next question. It's hot, then oven. So if it is cold, then what? Is it ice cream, air conditioner, snow, or refrigerator? I got answer from Chaitrali. Others, be quick, be quick. This time Reshma, Adishakti, they have also answered. They're answering you right. This is very simple. So a kind of opposite pairs, we can say. So we people use oven. Oven for what? If you want to make something, some food or snacks, if you want to eat it hot, then we make it hot. So something that, for example, it can be something that you want to get it cold. Sort of that, not ice cream. You cannot ice cream is cold, but it is not used for making it cold. Air conditioner is not for food items. Snow is not a right answer. So what left? So Pranali and Sakshi also answered, and that's right. Everyone, those who are thinking of here, option D, refrigerator, is used to make something cold. You might have used both of them, oven and refrigerator, and they are for opposite reasons. Then next 57th question is here that says conference. For conference, who is the chief person, main person? That's chairman. Okay. So now let's talk about a newspaper. For newspaper, who is the chief? Is it reporter, distributor, printer, or editor? Chaitrali answered it. Chaitrali has answered it. Others. Okay. Who is the responsible? We can say. So chairman has the all the responsibility of whatever happens in a conference. So in a newspaper, whatever printed, for that, who is responsible? Who is the authority? Who is the person who is responsible? So Adishakti, Reshma, Sakshi, they have answered. So here you may come across reporter is also related with newspaper, distributor is also related with newspaper, editor is also related with newspaper, printer may be related with newspaper, but printer cannot be answered here. So out of these three, all may sound answers. So how we people can choose, how we can go to the right. They also will remove distributor also. They will remove distributor also. So now people have to tell me between reporter and editor. So what is role of reporter and what is role of editor for a newspaper? What is role of a reporter and what is the role of an editor?
Collect the news from a different area.
So that is for reporter. Okay, that is for reporter. Reporter will cover news from different sources from different areas. Okay, and editor will edit those news. So whatever prints in newspaper, its whole responsibility or will be responsible editor. So reporter will be responsible for only one news, which is he is covering. It may be from one news or one or two news. So reporter will not be here, but editor will be there who will be just editing entire newspaper. So here editor will be right answer. Okay. So option D is answer here. Very simple question for all of you. Drama is here, which is related with stage. So tennis will be related with what? Is it tournament, net, court, or racket? How? Drama, where is drama performed? Drama is performed on a stage. So similar question you have to ask, where tennis is played? Is it in tournament or in net or in court or in racket? Here I got answer from Adi Shakti. Sakshi also answered. Shubham and Chaitrali also answered. Okay. Reshma also answered. Okay. So here we are thinking in terms of place where it is performed, that is on stage. So if you think of net and racket, they are not place, they are instrument. Okay. So net is tennis is played with net, played with racket, or maybe there is shuttle also. But here we want a place where tennis is played. So out of this tournament and court. So tournament is what? That matches game. That is called tournament. So tournament also can't be answer. So tennis is played where? It is played on the court. On the court, which court? Not the court where lawyers are there, judges are there. That court is another court, okay? But what kind of court we people are talking about? Court is a place where tennis is played. That is also called as court. So therefore, which will be answer here? Answer will be option C, court. Okay. So I hope that you people are learning here. If you know already, that's fine. If you don't know, you're learning. And if you're listening, you are learning. But if you're just getting connected passively, you're wasting your valuable time. So don't do this. Okay. So with this, we people will move towards the next question immediately. So trees trees make a forest. Number of trees if there are, that makes a forest. If grass is there, so what that grass will make? Okay, is it lawn, is it field, is it garden or farm? So I got answer from Shubham, Adi Shakti. So here again you may have some confusion. I will help you.
सगळीकडेच ग्रास असू शकतात ना.
सगळीकडेच ग्रास असू शकतं, पण स्पेसिफिकली ग्रास इज युज्ड फॉर वॉट हे कन्सिडर करायचं. ग्रास तर सगळीकडेच असू शकतं, पण इफ यू आर टेकिंग ग्रास विल इट मेक अ लॉन किंवा ग्रास पासून कॅन यू मेक फील्ड, और इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ गार्डन, मग गार्डन मध्ये ग्रासच असतं का, और इज इट इन फार्म फॉर स्पेसिफिक. स्पेसिफिक म्हटलं तर कुठं येणार मग? See, for farm, there is grass, but it is not for specific reason. For farm, grass is of no use, so you can't go for farm. So if you're thinking of field, there may be grass, but that's not having the similar relationship that field can be open field also. Now between lawn and garden, you people have to choose, okay? So if you're thinking of garden, is it garden of only grass or there are other things also like flowers and plants and some maybe toys and swings and seesaw? And so is it only, if you think of lawn, then what is there in lawn? Lawn is made up of what?
Grass.
Grass. So therefore, instead of garden, we will go here for lawn. Okay. So therefore, option A can be answer. You may choose most suitable answer. So if there is no lawn, in that case, you can go for garden. So therefore, option A is answer. So everybody, those who answered here, you people got it right, or you just try to learn from this. Then very, again, simple question for all of you. Question number 60 that says giant is related with the dwarf. Okay, how they are related? What kind of pair is? What kind of pair? Synonym or antonym? Giant. Giant is a kind of big size. Dwarf is small. So opposite pair. Opposite pair. So now for genius, you people have to find it opposite. Wicked, gentle, idiot, or tiny. So I got answer from Adi Shakti. Shubham also answered. And Chaitrali also answered. All of you people are right. They all are saying option C here. Sakshi also saying idiot. That is the right answer. So genius and idiot, they make an opposite pair. So therefore option C is going to be answer. Okay. The next question number 61 is in front of you. This question says, so bank is there. Bank is for what? Bank is for river. So which bank you are considering here? Don't consider the bank which you are just thinking of, an institution which is used for depositing and withdrawal of money. That bank is another meaning. This bank means the side of the river, that is called bank. So side of what will be called as coast? Is it flood? Is it waves or sea or beach? What do you people will choose?
Sea.
Yes, exactly. Sea has coast. Sea has coast. Okay. So therefore, option C is going to be answer. and coast may be similar to beach. So option D cannot be answer. Flood is not related with coast. Waves are there, but not in the same way like bank and river. So therefore, we can choose coast is to sea. Bank is to river, coast is to sea, like this. Then next question number 62 is there and it says flower. Flower is associated with what? Butterfly. So now we have dirt here. Dirt will be associated with what? Rats, fly, bugs, sweeper. So you can try to understand flower attracts butterfly. So dirt will attract what? Okay, we got answer from Chaitrali. Others. Adi Shakti also answered. Reshma answered. Okay, Sakshi also answered, and that will be fly. So if there is dirt, what will be there? There will be fly. Okay, on flower you will find butterfly. On dirt you will find fly. So option B. Rats will not be there on dirt. Okay, rats will be there for maybe if something is there, or burrows are there, or if they wanted to just cut something with their teeth. In that case, rats will be there. So rats will not be there in dirt. Next, a simple question for all of you. It says malaria. So what is malaria? Malaria is a disease. Okay. Now you people have spear. So what is spear? Is it wound? Is it sword? Is it a weapon? Is it death? What is spear? So I got answer from Chaitrali. I got answer from Reshma. Adi Shakti and Shubham, they also answered. Everyone answered the same option. So spare is nothing. Bhagyashri also answered. Pragati also answered. So let's try to check what is spear. All you people might have seen it in movies or something like this, or javelin throw and all those things. You people might have seen it. So spear is something like this that is used as a weapon. Okay, my drawing is not that much good, so you can call it weapon. So this is a kind of weapon. So option C is going to be answer. Okay, so it is spear. Spear is a weapon. It is not a sword. Sword is also weapon. So wound, no. Death, no. So option C will be answer. Next, here all of you people have to be very careful. Matricide is associated with mother. So homicide is associated with what? Is it with human, children, father, apes? What is it? I got answer from Chaitrali, or just be quick and try to find it out. What do people think? So you'll come to know side. The word side is associated with what? Side is associated. Yes, side. Yes, exactly. Right. Side is associated with killing. Okay. Similarly, you might have come across with the word suicide also. Okay. So suicide here is also side. So suicide means killing to your own self.
Self-killing.
Yes, own self. Similarly, can you tell me other words which are ending with side? There are so many words which are ending with side. So as all you people have mentioned here, homicide is associated with killing of human beings. Okay. If it is regicide, then what does it mean? Killing of what? You might have heard about insecticide. You might have heard about pesticide. And there are some words like patricide also. There are words like maybe uh, here you'll come to matricide is killing of one's own mother. That's called matricide. So patricide, you people will think like killing of one's own father will be patricide. Pesticide will be killing of some pests. Okay. Insecticide will be killing of insecticides. Regicides will be killing of king. Okay. Killing of king. So there are some words: killing of one's own brother, killing of one's own sister. So seriocide and maybe a fratricide is some other words that you people can find it out, which will help you to increase your vocabulary. So here, let's come to the point here. For this homicide, we people will think of human. It's killing of human beings is called homicide. So all you people are right. Those who answered option A, human, is right answer. Next, a simple question for all of you here. This question says, food is required for stomach, or food is digested in stomach. We can say like this: food is digested in stomach. So fuel, where the fuel will be burned, is it in plane or truck or engine or automobile? I got an answer from here, Shubham and Pragati. Sakshi also. So if you think of that plane, for plane, fuel is required. For truck, it is also required. So both can't be answers. So both options are wrong. Out of engine and automobile, automobile will be everything. Like plane is automobile, truck is also automobile. So automobile can't be. So you people will come to know that engine will be the place, or in engine that fuel is burned. So therefore option C is going to be answer. So all of you are right. Chaitrali also answered it, that option C, that's engine. Next question number 66 is here. That's which quail is related with partridges. So yak is related with what? Is it cows, deer, oxen, or antelopes? So what is this quail or partridges? We need to understand. Quail is a kind of creature which comes under the maybe a class of partridges. Okay, you try to search more on Google here how quail, or try to see images of quail so that you can understand it, or you can try to find out partridges and their images so that you will come to know. Otherwise, this quail is the totally new word for us and we people can't go for it. So Adi Shakti has answered. Now we are going to talk about yak. So yak will be the in the category of what? Yak will be in the family of what? Are they cows or deer or oxen or antelopes? So yak will be in the family of oxen. Option C is going to answer here. Okay. Option C is going to be answered here. Simple question for all of you. Here is engineer. Engineer will use a map as an instrument. Mostly civil engineer use map. Okay. Now we'll talk about bricklayer. If there is a bricklayer, bricklayer will use what out of those following options? Will he use a design? Will you use a template or mold or cement? What will be required for a bricklayer? So I got answer from Adishakti, Chaitrali, Adishakti. Okay, Reshma also answered. Pranali also answered. This time having, I think that a confusion. All different four options I'm getting as an answer. So C, bricklayer. Bricklayer is there. You might have seen how bricks are made. Okay, on the roadside there are a number of such places where bricks are made, and while coming going we people have seen. So those who are bricklayers, and when they wanted to just make a brick of this particular rectangular shape, what will be useful for him? Is it design, template, mold, or cement? You'll come to know, or I will help you here. Cement will not be answer because bricks uh, are not made up of only cement. They can be of maybe soil or clay also. So cement can't be.
सर ब्रिकलेअर म्हणजे विटा का ब्रिकलेअरला पण गवंडी म्हणतो ना.
No, mason is proper word for गवंडी. मेसन. ब्रिकलेअर म्हणजे जो विटा तयार करतो तो. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतात मला मराठीमध्ये माहिती नाही. मेसन विल बी गवंडी आणि ब्रिकलेअर म्हणजे जो वीट तयार करतो तो. मग त्याला वीट तयार करताना असं जर या शेपची वीट तयार करायची असेल तर तो काय वापरणार?
Mold.
Can be mold. So design will not be clear, and design no relation. He is not having any kind of education to think of design and all those things. Okay, template, you'll come to know template is of for a particular format. So that can be of template. So only people are right now, Chaitrali and I think that was answer just Shubham answered. So mold is going to be answered. So what is mold? Mold is a particular shape of brick that is used to lay the brick. Okay. So therefore, option C is answer. Then next question is 68th question is here. Fire. There is ashes. So if there is explosion, then what will be? Will be there flame, death, sound, or debris? What will be it? So how fire and ashes? If there is fire and the closure remaining of fire is what? Ashes. So now if there is explosion, after explosion, what will be there? Okay. I got answer from Yash, Chaitrali, Adishakti. So Yash, is it time to join the class? Do join earlier. Don't be late. Adishakti, Pragati, they have answered. So see, if you're thinking of flame or if you're thinking of debris, how it is fire and ashes, how they're related? If there is fire, there can be flame also. But at the end of fire, when the fire closes, finishes everything. So what remains at the end? There remains ashes. Okay. So now this way we people have to think. Flames will be not at the end of explosion. Flames will be maybe in the beginning or at the middle of the explosion, can be there during the explosion. But if the at the end of explosion is there, and if explosion is done, then what will be there at the end? What will remain there? Sound will not be there. Deaths, but not in the same way. So debris will be the remaining part or useless part, or a kind of garbage or rubbish which is remain after that. So this way we people can reach the answer. So therefore option D is the answer. Okay, so Chaitrali and all your people have answered it right. Okay, So we'll go to the next question. So before going next question, right now Ansar Sutar has joined the class. So let's welcome him. So after maybe 45 minutes, you have joined Ansar. Okay. So
सर
so is it time to join the class?
सर आता लेफ्ट झालतो नंतर जॉईन झालाय अजून
So you have to be in the class. I didn't see in the beginning. Class मध्ये नव्हता तुम्ही आता.
सर आता लेफ्ट झाले चुकून नंतर जॉईन झाले
Anyway, let's go to the next question number 69. I already told you about this pesticide. So pesticide, where it will be used, it will be applied on crops. Okay, so to control the different kinds of maybe diseases for crops, pesticide is used. Then antiseptic is here. Antiseptic will be used for what? For wound, clotting, bandage, or bleeding. So Chaitrali answered it. Others, Pragati also answered it. Adishakti also answered it. Shubham also answered it. Yes, that's right answer. Option A, wound. If there is wound, you people have to apply antiseptic. Okay, so to control or to be for the curement of the wound, the people can apply antiseptic. So option A is answer here. The next question number 70. 70 question says king is related with throne or sitting place for a king is what? That's a throne. Okay, so if there is a rider, for rider, where rider will sit? Will it sit on a seat, horse, saddle, or chair? So rider is there, you can consider the horse rider here usually. And if rider wants to ride a horse, where he will sit? Reshma and Pragati and Adishakti and Chaitrali, they have answered it. Pranali also answered it. So rider will not, of course, sit on chair. He will not sit on the chair, or there is no any kind of seat also for a rider. Okay, so option A and option D, you people can skip, eliminate. So now think of horse and saddle. So if there is horse, so rider will not sit on horse. So back on the back of horse, there is something which is placed. What is there on the back of horse which is placed? That's called saddle. And that is answer. What is saddle? If you don't know, you people can think of the horse, and there is some particular sitting arrangement like this, which is on the back of horse. खोगीर म्हणू शकता तुम्ही त्याला. So that is saddle. So rider will sit on this saddle. So option C is going to be answer. Okay. Then next question number 71 is there. Simple question for all of you. This is in ocean, what you'll find? There is water. Okay. So now think of a glacier. So in a glacier, what is going to be there? Is it refrigerator, ice, mountain, or cave? What will be there? So here I got answer from Chaitrali. I think that everybody will be in a position to answer this question because simple question. So glacier, you know, we have river of, in river we have water. So glacier is,
Himnadi.
yes, exactly, Himnadi. So Himnadi will be having what? It's ice. So very simple, exactly. So therefore, Adishakti, Pranali, Pragati, Chaitrali, all you people have answered it right. That's answer option B. Okay, so we'll complete this exercise here today. So let's go to the next question number 72. This question says reluctant is associated with keen. So how reluctant is what and keen is what? So I will tell you here they are opposite pair. Okay, what kind of pairs? Opposite pairs. So here we people have the word remarkable, and for remarkable, what kind of word you people are going to choose from the options given? Usual, restrained, striking, evocative. So Adishakti answered it. Shubham also answered it. So remarkable is something that remarkable. We call it remarkable when something is extraordinary or something like this. So that time it is remarkable. So now we want opposite of remarkable. Something that can be ordinary. So striking cannot be. Striking and remarkable are same, okay? Shubham and Chaitrali, they have answered. Adishakti answered. Again, evocative cannot be. Evocative means something which can be just making you more excited and all those things. So between A and B, you people have to tell me. So Pranali also answered it. That's option A, usual. So usual means like ordinary. Okay. So therefore, remarkable and usual, they are opposite pairs. Then let's go to the next question, number 73. It says a sculptor is there. So sculptor, what does he make? He makes a statue. So now here we people have a poet. So what a poet will have? Will he have a canvas, a pen, verse, or chisel? Be careful, don't be wrong here. Sculptor makes a statue, so poet, what does he do? Okay, so Adishakti answered here. So all we people know, what does a poet have? Poet have a poem. Okay, usually poet composes a poem. But is there any word like poem in the options? There is no any word like poem in the options. So canvas is for whom? Is it for poets? Canvas is not for poets. Okay, so canvas is for the painters or for drawing. Okay, canvas is for painting. Pen is for whom? Pen is for writer, for author. Okay, so with pen he writes. Then chisel is for what? Chisel is for a sculptor. This is an instrument. With that chisel, sculptor makes a statue. So what is left? Verse. So what is verse? Verse is nothing but a kind of poem. Or poems, we can call them poems. So therefore, poet will have verse. So all of people are right, Chaitrali, Shubham, and everyone, Pranali, Sakshi, and everyone, those who answered it. Let's move to the next question. Number 74 is there. Fossils is there. So fossils is of creatures. So mummies are there. So mummies are of what? Egypt, human beings, animals, martyrs. So what is fossil? We all people know, remaining or parts of the trees and plants and animals that is